guys, welcome to another tutorial, the solution journals. Today we will learn how to put the email button of TikTok on TikTok. So if you had put your email, you need to go to your TikTok, and here in your profile you need to go to the option of profile, and you need to go here in the option of edit profile. So here in edit profile, like you can see, you got the option of edit your profile, your bio. So you can put here, add a bio, and you can put your email here, and the people can copy that email and put if they want to communicate with you through the email. So in some cases, I think in the is in a business account, you got a button, like a exclusive button for the email. But in this case, you can put that email, typing the email on your bio. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.